Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to urgently transfer money to your Starling bank account but couldn't figure out how? It's a common dilemma, especially for those new to the digital banking world. Fear not, because in this video, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to transfer money to your Starling account, no matter where it's coming from. Starling Bank is a modern, mobile-focused bank that has gained popularity due to its innovative features and user-friendly interface. One of its key benefits is the ease of transferring money in and out of your account. Whether you're sending money from another bank, using a cash machine, or even receiving a payment from someone else, the process is straightforward. Step 1. Transferring from another bank. Online banking. Log into your online banking account with your current bank. Locate the Pay Bill or Transfer Funds option. Enter Starling Bank sort code and account number. Input the amount you want to transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Mobile app. Open your current bank's mobile app. Find the Pay Bill or Transfer Funds feature. Enter Starling Bank's details and the transfer amount. Confirm the transaction. Step 2. Using a cash machine. Locate a cash machine. Find a cash machine that allows transfers to other banks. Insert your debit card. Enter your PIN. Select the Transfer Funds or similar option. Enter Starling Bank sort code and account number. Input the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction. Step 3. Receiving money from others. Bank transfer. If someone wants to send you money from another bank, they will need your Starling Bank account details, sort code, and account number. Mobile payments. For peer-to-peer payments, you can use apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Simply share your Starling Bank details with the sender, and they can initiate the payment. Tips and tricks. Security. Always ensure that you are using a secure network when transferring money online. Avoid using public Wi-Fi. Fees. Some banks may charge fees for transfers, especially international ones. Check with your bank for any applicable charges. Instant transfers. Starling Bank offers instant transfers, which means the money should be available in your account almost immediately. However, this may depend on the sending bank's policies. Transferring money to your Starling Bank account is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. Whether you're using online banking, a cash machine, or receiving money from others, the process is straightforward. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to effortlessly manage your finances and enjoy the convenience that Starling Bank offers. Have you ever struggled with transferring money to your Starling Bank account? Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.